Why the big turnaround today?
You know, again, pick your headline. I sort of agree with Bob. A lot of people are going to name COVID. I get it. I mean, there's uncertainty about the Delta variant. You're seeing this spread. Having said that, I think there are other things going on. I think, one, you had a lot of people that were crowded in different manifestations of the same trade. You were short duration, you were long cyclicals. That got really popular. Some of that is coming off. The other thing is, I think a lot of this begins and ends with the rate market. If we look at how markets are behaving, we see that equities in a lot of sectors, particularly the banks, are following the rate market. So if you want to know why stocks are doing what stocks are doing, you probably have to start with why are bonds doing what they're doing.
Let's talk about bonds a little bit. Where do you think interest rates are? Between what bounds do you think interest rates are going to vacillate over the next weeks and months?
Well, look, full disclosure, I did not think we'd be talking about a 115 10-year with the best growth we've seen in the United States in several decades. So it's pretty inexplicable. I mean, Rick Reeder was on before. He spoke about a lot of, I think, what's been going on. You've got record liquidity. You've got a dearth of high-quality assets. And you've got international bids coming in that once you hedge back treasuries to pick your spot, yen, euros, they look more attractive than what's on offer in many other countries. Having said all of that, I think those explanations tell you why the 10-year is not at 2%. It's not clear why you should be a little above 1%. Our best view is still the fact that real rates are too low. A negative 1%, that's completely inconsistent with anything you saw even last decade, which was a slow growth decade. So we still think you're going to see some backup in yields. It's not going to be enormous, but I think where we are today is too low relative to what we're seeing in growth, and the fact that at some point the Fed's going to have to take their foot off the gas pedal a little bit.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.